Hello, Ripples. This is Miss Dodge here. I just wanted to show you how to get into your Google Classrooms for the first days of school. So once you are logged into your Chromebook, you will open up Google Chrome. It should open up to Launchpad, but if you have to click Launchpad, the app looks like this, or launchpad.leeschools.net. You will then sign into Launchpad using your district username and password. Once you are logged in to Launchpad, there's one app you need to use. It's the Google Apps. That is where your Google Classrooms are located. These classrooms will have links to your Zoom sessions. You will click Google Classroom. Once you've clicked it, all your Google Classrooms will appear. Now, they will say decline or join. Please make sure you join your classroom so that you can find the link to your Zoom for that day and for the rest of school. Also, please make sure that you have logged in by about 9:35. We'd hate for you to be late on your first day of school, and we're very excited for you to come.